Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I saw this beautiful 1994 Mustang 5.0 GT. This one is awesome condition. It looked almost brand new, 55,000 miles. So we live here in southern Utah, where a lot of people from up north will come, and they'll come down here for the winters because there's really not a lot of snow or anything like that. So these cars are common around here, and the people will come down and enjoy them in the winter, then go back to their other homes. So this is a perfect example of one of those beautiful cars. Again, only 55,000 miles. I did see the headlight was broken. These are really hard when you're trying to change the bulbs out and everything. They do break. They don't come out as easily as the New Edge 99 Plus, but just wanted to show this condition. This thing was awesome. It did have one ding here off to the side. You probably get that out with the paintless dent removal. But it had the brown saddle interior and 55,000 miles. Everything on this car looked great. This would be an awesome car for somebody to pick up one day. So they're out there. They're harder to find, but getting a car like this probably won't have too many problems with it if it was well maintained. And so anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Had another beautiful morning here. Went out with Justin SVT. When there's hot air balloons floating around, it's a beautiful morning. So we took the Screaming Yellow 04 Cobra out and enjoyed driving it around a little bit. So just wanted to show you some footage on that as well. And everything's going well with this one. Check the video description. I'll put the full playlist of the other videos that I have on it, repair videos, all that. And so just wanted to enjoy a nice morning here. I just listened to how peaceful and quiet it is here on these nice October mornings. French toast is served. Rubber grill. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. It's always fun to see these. I remember going around to used car lots and dealerships and seeing them all the time, and they're few and far between now, especially in this beautiful condition. So anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content. Thanks, guys.